Hello, everyone. Today, we will demonstrate how to host a live game in a web browser. Now, let's delve into the steps to become a live Kahoot host. Begin by logging into your Kahoot account. Next, find the Kahoot you wish to host either in your Library tab or on the Discover page. For this demonstration, we are going to select the library. Once you've located your Kahoot, click on Host Live in the bottom right corner. Here, you'll find all available game modes. Feel free to click on each one to see a brief description, and choose the one that best aligns with the gameplay experience you wish to provide your audience. Please be aware that the player limit varies based on the account type and subscription. Before starting the game, you can alter some settings via the gear icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. You also have the option to modify some of these settings between questions. Note that these settings will be saved for future games. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select the classic mode. When you're set, click Start. A PIN code and QR code will then appear on your screen. Before starting the game, here are a few things to keep in mind. You can click on the QR code to enlarge it, making it easier for players to scan. Players can join even after you've started the game. The PIN will be displayed at the bottom of your screen throughout the game. If you wish to lock the game and prevent players from joining, click the padlock icon next to the Start button. Now let's go ahead and start the game. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy!